This PS5 is in for a thermal clean, and judging by the look of it, it's going to be a messy one. Let's find out what it's like inside. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. I swear I've never seen anything like this. Oh, I don't even know what to say. Oh my goodness. Right, gloves time. And there we go. That has got to be the worst PlayStation 5 I have ever seen. Surprisingly, the inside of the PlayStation wasn't actually that bad, but the exterior, oh my goodness, that gunk, which I don't even know actually what it was. But importantly, the PlayStation has been fully cleaned out, both interior and exterior. I need to start charging more for this repair. The noisy fan has gone, no thermal warnings. Time to get it back to the customer. If you'd like to book your PS5 in for a thermal clean, please do message the site. Have a good day and we'll see you again soon.